I read Avrom Sutzkever for the first time in translation, and I mean, I had read a lot of literature before that, but it was he has this one prose poem called Greener Aquarium, Green Aquarium, and it was just the coolest thing I'd ever read. It was extremely metaphoric. It's sort of reflecting on the Holocaust, and there's this image of the aquarium and like memories on one side of the glass and you're on the other, and as soon as you break the glass, everything disappears. And so that really turned me on to memory. Because of my major, I was doing a lot of literature, Jewish literature, and Sutzkever I read a lot of in translation. I can like just now start, 3 years later after studying Yiddish, start to read it in the original. But he's just, he is a modern poet, and he's not political. Like, I mean, he is sometimes, but they say that he's like a nature poet. He grew up, part of his childhood, he was in Siberia, and he really got a love of nature at that time, and it really comes through in his imagery. And he's just, I mean, of any poet I've ever read, I think, I mean, T.S. Eliot is my other favorite, which is a little ironic, but I sort of see them mirroring each other sometimes in this style, because he, I don't know, it's like hard to understand at first. It's pretty, the metaphors are pretty deep, but then the meaning is, I don't know, I mean, the strength of poetry, I think, is really to make you think about something in a way that you wouldn't, and he really does that.